How to find recently deleted videos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Open the video you want to delete from here. Then, tap on the delete icon at the bottom right. Tap on delete video again to confirm. Now, scroll down and go to the Utilities section at the end. Then, tap on Recently Deleted. You require Face ID or passcode to view this album. On this page, you can view all your recently deleted photos and videos. Tap on the video you just deleted to view it. Following these steps, you can easily find recently deleted videos on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.